Today's Wednesday, December 10th. I'm gonna have to get in this debris here to get past these cars. Let's see how that goes. The atmospheric river is gone today. And now it's sprinkling. But I should be okay with just a rain jacket. At least that's the plan. With the storm having passed through, there's now a lot of wind in its wake. I think I'm kind of pedaling sideways to the wind. Like at right angles to it. So it's not affecting me that much. Oh, there's a red light up here. Oh no! It just turned green. I'm gonna miss it. I can't tell you how often that happens. So this will be a full 2 minutes lost. Yesterday I missed the bus. And rode, now the wind's really pushing on against me. I'm just barely moving right now. I'm worried I'm gonna miss the bus again today. Anyway, yesterday when I missed it, I ended up riding the whole way to work. I'm not even sure I would do that again today, but I guess I would. Because there's kind of nowhere for me to go if I miss it. There's a coffee shop, but I always drink my coffee at home, so it'd be pointless to go there. It looks like my bus just got off the freeway. Maybe you can see him way up there. Probably not. I think, okay, this makes sense. I think I'm feeling the effects of having ridden all the way down to work yesterday. Because, that might be part of the reason I'm missing all these lights. Oh man, and the wind. Oh gee. Alright, well, I just need to make it up this hill. I'm not even thinking about getting in that left lane right now. The bus is still there right now. I can see it from here. Let's see if I can catch this bus. Whoa. Alright. That put me off the sidewalk. There's my driver. I'm not sure what time it is.